3. Are you wondering how to watch Prime Video free in a legal way? In this video, I will show you how to watch Prime Video free using official and legal methods, how the free trial works, and how to access Prime Video safely using the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. If you want to watch Prime Video free legally, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. That link takes you directly to the official Prime page where you can check free trial availability. Let's start with the main legal way to watch Prime Video free. The most common way to watch Prime Video free is through the free trial offered to new members. In many regions, Amazon offers a free trial period for Prime membership. During the free trial, you get full access to Prime Video, including movies, TV series, and exclusive Amazon originals. To check if you are eligible for a free trial, always use the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. Free trial availability may vary depending on your account and location. Here is how to watch Prime Video free step by step. Click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. Sign in or create your Amazon account. Check if a free trial is available. Activate the free trial. Start streaming immediately. Another legal way to watch Prime Video free is through special promotions. Sometimes Amazon offers limited time deals, student discounts, or bundled offers that include a free period. Always verify these offers through the official and real link in the description and pinned comment to avoid fake websites. It is important to understand that watching Prime Video free should always be done legally. Avoid unofficial streaming sites or pirated content. These websites are unsafe, illegal, and may harm your device or personal data. The safest and legal way to watch Prime Video free is by using the official trial or official promotions. If you decide that Prime Video is not for you, you can cancel before the trial period ends to avoid charges. Always review the billing details and cancellation policy on the official page accessed through the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. Let's quickly summarize how to watch Prime Video free legally. Use the official free trial if available. Check for student or promotional offers. Always use the official and real link. Avoid illegal streaming websites. If you want to check right now whether you can watch Prime Video free, open the description and click the official and real link in the pinned comment. That is the safest and most reliable way to watch Prime Video free legally.